Friends, today in this video I am going to share with you a juice recipe which is apt during cough and cold season. It's the refreshing honey pineapple juice which can also be used as home remedy for cough, cold and allergy. Pineapple and honey have anti-inflammatory enzymes like bromelain and glucose oxidase. So when combined they show strong anti-inflammatory property. Pineapple, honey, salt, ginger and pepper mixture has been used as medicine for cough and cold since ancient time. And you know what? It acts 5 times faster than cough syrup. Next amazing thing about this juice is that it can be included in your weight loss recipe. If you are struggling to lose weight, then this recipe will do wonder if taken with good healthy diet and exercise. So what are you waiting for? Please try this juice at home and get the results. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon to get more videos from me. So let's see what all ingredients are required. We need 4 ingredients. I have taken half of pineapple, 100 ml water, pinch of salt and 2 to 3 teaspoons of organic honey. For treating severe cough, to the pineapple juice, add 2 teaspoons of ginger juice, 1 teaspoon of pepper along with 2 teaspoons of honey. Drink 50 ml of this juice 3 times a day for 1 week and get the results. For weight loss, to the pineapple juice, add 10 ml of organic apple cider vinegar. Drink 300 ml of this juice early in the morning for 1 month. To get result, you should be trying this along with healthy diet and at least 20 minutes of exercise. First of all, take a bath, add pineapple and then add water. Using a blender, blend it to smooth paste. Then add honey and a pinch of salt. And blend it for 15 seconds and add water if it is required, and the drink is ready. It's so very easy, you can drink it every day in the morning.